This is an update on the pinion gears for the Lycomobile. I was in contact with Dean upon the last pinion gears getting destroyed after 20 feet of operation. His plan was to make new gears and send them to me. And these gears are going to be made out of steel, not cast iron. So these are the new gears. I just received them about a week or two ago. And let me just show you something I noticed. So this is one gear. He sent me 4. This is the second gear, and third gear, which looks good. And this is the 4th gear. And upon inspection of this gear, I see, as you can see right here, there is a crack, and it does run through. This is a brand new gear that was, he said, was machined out of the equivalent of 4140 steel. Now, I haven't chucked it up in the lathe and tried spinning it down to see how hard it is to cut. But anyway, this gear has got a crack in it. I'll give you a nice close-up of it. And it's really not usable because under load, I know it's going to break and it's going to wipe out the other gears. So I'd be right back to where I was. This would be the 3rd set of gears, and I don't want to crack them and damage anything. So this gear is, you can see there's the crack. You can see it does run through to both sides, and there is the other side. It's got a chunk taken out of it. I'm not sure what happened during the machining process, but back up a little bit. This gear is, I really consider no good at this point in time. So what the plan here is, and let me show you what I'm going to do. Let me position things. I did pick up some 4140 steel. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm about ready to do. And let's reverse the camera.